Hey guys, and welcome back on my YouTube channel. As you have seen from the title and of course my intro, this is my entry video for the NYX Face Awards NL. I really hope you enjoyed this video. So what I'm doing right now is I'm putting a transition shade, orangey brownie shade into my crease, and you want to make sure that you blend it out really good. As you can see, I was obviously inspired by the Glam-Panther. I just looked at the Glam-Panther, so King T'Challa, and I tried to recreate his mask and give it a little glam. And I also tried to recreate his suit to make it, make it look more realistic and everything. I had a hard time making that suit, but you will see that later on in the video. So I took a cream eyeliner and put it all over the lid. And with a black eyeshadow, I blend out all the harsh lines because we don't need those. And I took a glittery eyeliner and I put it on the inner corner of my eye, and then I just blend it out, make it look nice. I'm not gonna put my foundation all over my face because I'm gonna draw a mask, so I'm just putting some foundation and some concealer on the parts that I leave open. I'm taking a black eyeshadow mixed with some red and smoke it out under my eye. I'm putting in these gray contacts because they're gonna be stunning with this look. So now it's time for the fun part. We're gonna start with a mask. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just outlining so that it will be easier to color it in a minute. I'm using a big painting brush to color my face in. With a smaller brush, I go back into the places that I just missed. Now I'm outlining the head part of the mask, and after that I'm gonna color it in. I'm outlining the black mask with some white to give it more dimension. At this point, I wasn't sure if I wanted my ears black or not, but I decided to do them black, and I love the end result. Now I'm gonna dry so much details on my face, so it's really hard to explain exactly what I'm doing, because I'm just looking at the Black Panther mask and trying to create it like on my face. So I'm using some whites, some grays, you know, to give it dimension. So I did cut off these triangles off camera, but right now I'm gonna spray paint them in silver. And then I just paste them onto my suit. Afterwards, I decided to paint my neck and my hands black as well. So, and that completes the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in my next video. see you in my next one. Bye!